Emva konyaka uBongani Baloyi eyingxenye yaleliqembu useshenxile kulo. uBaloyi bekubhekwe ukuthi yahole leliqembu emkhankasweni wokhetho langonyaka ozayo. Ubalule izizathu zokushiya kwakhe phansi.
I think the big moment for me was in various people who are saying to me, stay and fight, let's democratize the party, let's do this, let's do this. I can't be a person who's going to be part of the destruction of ActionSA and create another cope. It is important for young people to start seeing different examples of leaders who thrive, who aren't as patient, who are agitated just like them.
iActionSA yona imile ekutheni bekunenkinga ezingaxazululeki phakathi kwayo noBaloyi.
These issues relate to differences arising from the running of the Gauteng province. Various media reports over the weekend are noted for conveying a number of inaccuracies on this matter. At the previous meeting on 6 March 2023, Mashaba made the offer to Baloyi for him to take up the mantle of national spokesperson, a senior national position within ActionSA, which is automatically represented on the Senate, ActionSA's highest decision-making body. Today, at the meeting of 13 March, Baloyi declined this offer.
uBaloyi usechithe neintsolo zokuthi ungaboni ngasolinye kwabo bekuhlangene nokuthi leliqembu kumele yini lisebenzisana neANC noma cha.
That's how people are lying that my main difference with Dr. Mashaba is about working with the ANC. It is a lie. He endorsed engaging with them. He gave us support. He was happy that we'd be able to co-govern either in executive only and there in legislature. That was what he consented and supported and gave us the mandate to go and do.
uBaloyi usenxenxe iActionSA ukuba izame ukulungisa izinkinga ezikhona ngaphakathi kwayo.
From Senate